Alright, check out my new table for my aquarium. I'm actually growing plants in the bottom. That's a little mercury. But this is going to be my new aquarium that I'm going to add my new fishes. And here, you could add your food, extra stuff you have for your aquarium, your clean material. I just want you to see the table itself. It took me about 30 minutes to put it together. It came in a small box. I was able to set it up real quick. I like that it has this mesh here. Everything was numbered and labeled. Look at that. Right now I have plants. I'm growing plants in the bottom, alright? No fishes yet. But I just want you to see that you could fit maybe another aquarium here, or maybe just your food and your clean material. This is a perfect 3-tier aquarium stand. So if you're looking for something like this, first thing, I'm growing my plants. Put your fish food, your cleaning material, and then your big fish tank on the top. You might fit one in the bottom like I do. So I don't think you can fit one in the middle, but it looks great. So I hope you guys enjoy the video.